Okay, video blog check everybody. My name is Azrael and welcome to my YouTube channel that features lifestyle, travel, food, and tech. And for this time, I think I found a good fix for the scope or sniper lag in PUBG Mobile. So I heard about this app called the Game Booster FX. There you go. So I use the app to, speed up or increase some performance of the Huawei Y7 because I have encountered some lag and some people on the comment are, looking for some fix and they are complaining about the scope or sniper lag in PUBG Mobile on a Huawei Y7 smartphone. So this is an experiment and we will see if the game booster is effective. So I activated the app, the game booster app, and then activated also the PUBG so that it can increase or enhance the graphics, the settings, and encounter zero lag. So we will see if it's very effective with this experiment. Okay, let's play PUBG on Huawei Y7. Okay guys, I'll be trying the game booster now on my phone. And it says here that PUBG is now optimized on the internet, and I've been reading some reviews that it's a good tool to boost your PUBG mobile. So let's try it. Okay, completed. Okay, I'm not sure if this game. Okay, we are back again here on PUBG. So this time I'm using a game booster. So let's do a battle royale. Let's check the graphic settings. Balance, let's put it smooth, low. Okay. About the frame rate, do we have a frame rate setting in here? There's no frame rate setting. One more. I think the graphics becomes more better, no? After I set it to low graphics or smooth, much better. So let's see if the gameplay is, it's getting good na. Okay, let's land somewhere here. I think the scope is working properly. Oh my god, got away. He got away. Okay. Got one. Well, I guess the sniper is working better. Let's do more sniping. Actually, I need more ammo. Let's get some loot and then let's get away from this area. Okay. Oh, nice. I like the Scar L. What else do you have? Okay, I'm good. So let's run. Let's run. I hope this is a working vehicle. Is it? Okay, let's go. What the? Let's check the map. There's no bridge. There's a small bridge in here. Let's go that way. Sorry. I need to find a spot for a good sniper activity. I guess this is a good spot. Let's check if we can go to the roof and test. Oh no, it's only a second floor. Okay, I think there's a sniper. Let's go to the roof. Let's go to the roof. Can we go to the roof? Go up. Yes, we got it. So let's see if we can find some enemies around here. Okay. Nawala yung camera natin. May tao. Naghahanapan kaming dalawa. We are finding each other. Oh my God, I think that's a sniper. Gotcha. Okay. So we are safe. Actually, we are not safe. So I need to go down na. So there's an enemy pa. Kaso kinuha na yung aking baril. Need to go down na. Did I jump sa tree? Oh my God. I need to get away vehicle. Oops. So far, the game booster is working properly. The scope a bit accurate na. Oh my God. Oh my God. I hate that. We're doing some stunts here. Go. No more fuel? Not enough fuel. Oh my God. So I need to add some bandages. Okay, we're okay. Oh no. that be? So okay, I think the game booster is working properly, no? So yun. So that's it, guys. I think the game booster app is working because I've experienced a much more better gameplay on the PUBG Mobile here on my Huawei Y7. I think it's a good app. I think you should install it and try it, and then come back and post a comment below what you think about the game booster on a Huawei Y7 playing PUBG Mobile. So that's it, guys. So thank you guys for watching. So don't you forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you at the next video blog adventure. Alright.